This is DHA Multan. If you like to explore modern and peaceful places, this video is for you. Just sit back and watch this amazing place. Multan is a mix of old traditions and modern life. Every turn shows something nice. Multan is not just about roads and buildings. It is a city full of history and culture. As we continue driving, you can notice how clean and well planned everything is, and it makes the whole area feel calm and modern. This is just a simple drive, but it feels good. The people here are warm and welcoming. Everything here feels organized and easy. The weather is calm, and the soft sunlight makes everything look warm and beautiful. Goodbye for now. See you again with another peaceful view, and before going, show some support by liking and subscribing my channel, Wanderways.